How to activate the gut and improve your immune response during the cold, flu, and viral infections. Researchers report. Researchers from the University of Tokyo have just published a study clarifying the link between increased body temperature and resistance to viral infections. According to previous clinical research, older persons, who generally have lower average body temperatures, are more susceptible to viral infections. However, nothing is known about how a high body temperature affects a person's resistance to viral infection. This gap has now been closed by a Japanese study team who found a link between elevated body temperature and improved antiviral properties of gut microbes, also known as the microbiota. The Nature Communications journal published their work. The research team used mice in their study and subjected them to 4 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, or 36 degrees Celsius cold or hot conditions for a week before infecting them with the influenza virus. Mice exposed to cold after virus induction usually died from acute hypothermia, but mice exposed to heat showed significant resistance to infection even at greater virus concentrations. According to Dr. Takeshi Ichinoi of the University of Tokyo in Japan's Division of Viral Infection, high heat-exposed mice raise their basal body temperature above 38 degrees C, allowing them to produce more bile acids in a gut microbiota-dependent manner. The researchers proposed that deoxycholic acid, DCA, signaling from gut microbiota and its plasma membrane-bound receptor, Takeda G protein-coupled receptor 5 inches, TGR5, increased the host's resistance to influenza virus infection by reducing viral replication and neutrophil-dependent tissue damage. Interestingly, the scientists discovered that mice with influenza had lower body temperatures for nearly 4 days after infection, which caused them to snuggle together for warmth. Instead of the influenza virus, the scientists used SARS-CoV-2 to duplicate their findings, and they further confirmed these findings using a Syrian hamster model. Their research shows that a body temperature greater than 38 degrees Celsius can increase resistance to SARS-CoV-2 infections and the influenza virus. Furthermore, this raised body temperature promotes vital gut microbial processes that ultimately lead to the generation of secondary bile acids. These acids regulate immunological reactions and act as a host defense against viral infections.